kwa resign the bra e dey na wo je e dey en to ba no nya wo ho percentages aye kwaji loan na wunya no nya wo ana as say why man nanado niema why aye no biye defending na no e crash it down. Can't you honorably step down? Say economy na Joe step so you are walking away. Up to the point say majority caucus because say omo ntimi ne woni adwuma biem. How then I had before yet sir? Can't you honorably resign to restore the dignity of Nanado? To restore the dignity of your brother won't me resign here. And I'm also majority caucus. Mo press conference am abaye Ghana force me Afia me can't say omo damase. They are very grateful. But you see, na mo trade yen. After the mo say Ghana ayedin. After the mo say can Ofori step it down. And imagine some way ne. Mo can say Ghana for Jimmy. Majority caucus in parliament. Mo protect mu seats. Say no mo say was second Ofori step it down because mo protect mu seat. Yen na ya kwotna opposition. Na ya for lessons. Yen na more majority caucus Ghana for saying ganja mo so mo to mamo obi everybody. Na mo ha there. You will listen. Me enemy pese me busa asem. Finance Minister Ken Ofori. Papa no nkwa sorry ana. Onkwa sorry, uni elders who are sorry. Uni suffer. And to be intimi to papa na for say do the honorable thing by resigning. Obi intimi on a chance say do boy sa finance ministry hono. Because listen, mama make some chum. Nana Akufo-Addo adodankwa. Papa we buy 6 years. Papa no was yippy. She say I want you baby $1 akodu ni aduane boaye den. Aduane boaye dinti. Nipa represent Nanado buy doom so agyan. Nipa represent Nanado the free SHS aye aba. Emom Ghana am saying no can so be stop here, enyan stop here. But papa no buy waye bi. But because of ni nua wenti. I make us match no. Me anoti na me afia memfa busuani adwuma o because ofa busuani adwuma te say the wato manini ade enye kwa wontumi fa kɔ enti sa wo fa na ntimi ni wagia enti kan Ofori Atta wa wontumi nsɔre say ma resigning. Let's trust UK Prime Minister as a president. Oh, no.
You were a graduate, you couldn't get a job. Somebody finds a way to create job for you so that the skills you have learned at school wouldn't be to waste. Not only that, the man made sure say wamao experience said the beya and there say oko apply for another job ni besides how many years of experience do you have in this field that at least to make us from 2019 to 2020 you have done this type of job over 3 years experience. Yeah. And you sit there, allow a party that could not give you a job because according to them you were not experienced. Isn't it sad? Ghana for Napco for na many omokasan. And that is why I saw said they were very ungrateful. Intinesanana sebe etwamukra na me na ha me. To be honest with you, because Napco for people they really let me down. The Napco people really let me down. Matnefie since 2013. Some of you since 2013. Munye jumanye. Obia ba befawa ma Napco. Charles Kweku say he's intelligent but not wicked. I said wicked in a sarcastic way. Say Akufo-Addo you wicked in a sarcastic way. Because Charles, o share their papa na ye na obeso gu NDC o. Obeso gu NDC party ni totally and san we free so. Look at what is happening in the north. North when you can hands down NDC winning. Look at what Bawumia and them did in the north there. Mo hwe the Samira no ye no ho. Look at what now OT chiefs are saying now. Say, for 7 times they have seeked several governments, say, Mumma ye region, but they never gave them. 7 times. 7 times they have seeked, say, Omu here regional capital, Omu here say be your region. It never happened. But Akufo-Addo listened and did it for them. Unless the Omu ye buniaye for no mbeto aba edietia MPP abai the next time around. And I'm glad the man actually confessed, said they are sorry. Say he created the region and they voted against him. But they promised him, say, come 2024, him and his people would actually vote for the MPP. Look at what Peter Mewu is doing in Hohoi. Look at how gradually Nanado is winning Hohoi, winning voter region bit by bit. All tells you, say, this man is a unique man. Now, enunti ena me saw camera no eja medin kai ama background kakre memfa enombra in the next 20 minutes na men sorry so mame kire wade bi Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is the only president that has 16 regions. Utie His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Ononkwane president ya webedi Ghana so okuta 16 regions. Guess what that comes with? Extra responsibility. Extra responsibility. Adintia. Because first no, now your regions are 10. Okay. Now with the same resources, we have created 6 extra regions. Now, what makes Akufo-Addo scary for these people who hate the truth in NSA? And God is my witness, not good. Every part of Ghana has received at least a bit of the national cake. In all sector. That is the craziness of it. In all sector. In all sector. Nana Akufo-Addo is the only person that has been able to manage 16 regions, okay? Constructed roads in all 16 regions, yes? Provided educational infrastructure in all 16 regions, yes? Been able to create administrational blocks for all 16 regions, yes? Been able to do things to benefit the whole Ghana, hence free SHS. It's only Akufo-Addo, and it is 16 regions. Now, Adiebiya Mwawa. Oka se okwa probono. Me da say Kumase for. Finally, some of you have come to your senses and saying, said there be Samoka se Akufo-Addo, any mundi ya namoboa, Akufo-Addo aya adie pa. Emede. Pa se mwankasa. Asantifo. Majia tumu se. Eye achenkwana na wonumbre mu no wenje mu na mbom we make sure say ohwe obia. Now see another myopic mind we Godwin Digbo who na no so this who sent him to create 16 regions. On say we Jimmy for principal Limefa osisi a on say we Jimmy